Hello everyone, welcome to the Marion Academy's channel. As promised here, this is part 3 and the final part of our survival kit series. This one here is of course for our our parents here, parents and guardians. That's who this is for. Y'all are very much an important piece of our puzzle here. You definitely are an important piece of our family, everything. So we need you, we need you, we need you, okay? So we want to make sure that you all are acknowledged and make sure that you all feel special as well, and let you know that you are needed in this family here. You all have an important part, as does any family and everything like that. So this is a series. This is a survival kit just for you. Now this survival kit was so super simple, but it's so cute but simple, and oh my goodness, this is what we did last year for the parents, and we had such an overwhelming, just, oh my goodness, the parents were just, overwhelmed with like, oh my goodness, thank you. And, overwhelming responses after, we've given them, their survival kits for the year. So we said, hey, we will do this again. So we switched up the items, just a bit, but basically the same, same type of vibe here. So what we did in most of these items, except with an exception of the candies here, we got everything from the dollar store. So very inexpensive, no going crazy with monies and things like that. So a great way that you can still acknowledge everyone, on a budget, basically. So let's go ahead, and as you see here, I have this cute little box. It's really cute here. And this box, of course, as I mentioned, I got it from the dollar store. Has a cute little tag. You can put their names on there, when they come for. And what we like to do is at the beginning of the year, we like to, of course, have our meet and greet with the parents. So this is a great way to give it to them at that point. So this is how it looks like, and this is the inside of it, and all around is the same design. And as I mentioned, at the dollar store. So that's the first item there. Then we have this cute little candle here. Now this candle, they have a lot of different scents. Oh, let me bring it a little bit closer. Sorry. A lot of different scents. This is the Tropical Breeze scent, and it smells so delicious. So we decided to get this one, put it in there. We also have this cute little seashell little bottle here. It's so cute. Here, you see that? And it's just kind of a keepsake, little thing, so they can put it at home, on their desk at work, just a couple of different items. And we have the Tropical Breeze and Tropical Breeze and the seashells, that little theme going on. And then we have a planner, calendar type of book here. And we want the parents to, of course, know the important dates that are coming up, but also we want to encourage them to, plan for their vacations and, have things like that planned out. So I thought this was a cute little one, a cute little calendar planner to get here. So that is that. Then we have these magnetic clips. These magnetic clips, I think, I have a bunch of these in my house, in my office and everything. I like to, because I have children of my own, I like to use these on the refrigerator to display, a lot of different things, events we have coming up for the week. Of course, if one of my students or if one of my children had like artwork that they did for the week and I want to present that, then I will display that. I'll display it on my refrigerator using these because it has a magnet on the bottom. excuse me, because it has a magnet on the back, I can stick it right on my refrigerator and display it there, you know. So that's an amazing, amazing little accessory there that I love. And then last but not least, again, a lot of these candies you will see are my favorites, but but you know, they are favorites of the other teachers as well, and some of the parents that I ran across. So of course we have the Payday, which if you've been watching the series and just know me personally, you know that Payday is one of my favorites here. So we have a Payday bar. We also have Starburst. These are kind of like my nervous candy that I turn to, these and Lifesavers. And so I just got a bunch of these out of the pack and just kind of threw these together, or, you know, took them out of the pack to throw in the box here. So how I put this together is, let's see here, I just take the box here, just going to move some of these items out of the way so I can show you how I put these together. So I'm just going to get the box here, and you can add tissue paper in there, just kind of pretty it up a little bit, or if you're giving it to, you know, a male, you know, parent or guardian, you know, you might want to not, you know, I've found that men don't really like the extra stuff. Not so much that it's frilly, but they just like to get straight to the present. So so that's an idea. So just not add tissue paper if it's a male, but you know, you can. It just doesn't matter. I found some women don't like it either. Me personally, I just like a lot of extra things. So the more tissue paper, the better for me. But yeah, let's get to it here. So here's the box. So what I do is I like to just start with the candle, of course, and I just stick that right in here. I'm going to show you once I get it situated in there. And it doesn't really matter, you know, we're just basically trying to get everything that we can in there, okay? So then I just usually take the seashells, and I usually just place that right on top, as you can see. Candy bar, I just stick in there on the side. And the magnetic clips, you'll see, this box that I got this year was a little bit smaller than the one that I usually get, but I just like the designs on it. So it doesn't quite fit in there, but of course all you have to do is fold it down. And voila, it fits. So there we go with that. This can even, let me see here, might be able to even fit. No, it's not able to. So that's okay. So we just still sit that right at the top. Then with the candies, we'll just stick that in there. Strap those in there. Bam, bam. Now look at that. Look how cute that is. So can you imagine? And don't forget, I'm sorry, I didn't forget the planner. I didn't forget that. But as you can see, it is taller. So what I do, I just wanted to show you the inside, and I'll show you how I put the planner on there. So just wanted to show you the inside of it here. Then put the top on the box. Let's turn it around here. And then all I do is just stick it on there. And voila. And I just stick it at the top, and there we go. So look how cute that is. And of course, you can just put their name on there, we just put from the Marion Academy, and we just set them up like if at the meet and greet on the first day, we just have these all laid out on our welcome table, and as they come in and sign in, we just hand them to them, and we just put from the Marion Academy. You can put whatever you would like on there, but this is it. So really cheap, really fun to put together. The parents love it, love it, love it, as I mentioned before. So definitely try that. Also in the comments, don't forget to tell me if you if you have survival kits for the parents, what type of information you put, what type of items you put in your survival kits, and what type of feedback you've received back from the parents in regards to it. Oh, and before I forget, also usually in the planners, what we'll do is we'll put, I'm so sorry, oh my goodness, I almost forgot about that. What we do is in the planner or either right in the box here, what we do is we like to print off or create some type of fun poem or some type of inspirational quote or something like that. And we like to put it in here, like stick it in here, print it off and put it in there, or stick it in the box. Usually what I'll do is I'll print it off like on a little card, colorful card. Oh my goodness, I can't talk today. So a colorful card, and whatever size the planner is, that's how we cut it out, and we just decorate it and stick it in there, you know. So that's how we do that. So that's just another way. So a poem or some type of inspirational quote or something like that. So that is our survival kit for our parents here, whom we definitely appreciate. Thank you, parents of the Marion Academy, especially, but also just parents all over. You all are such an important part of, you know, your child's education, and of part of the school, you know, regardless if it's a virtual school or it's a brick and mortar school, just any type of schooling. You all are such an important part. I hope you know that, and I hope you understand just how important you are. So we sincerely thank you. Well, that is it for today, guys. I really appreciate your time and, you know, viewing this information and this item with us. Hope you all have a great day. Y'all take care, and thank you so much from the Marion Academy.